Hello guys, welcome to another weekly breakdown video. Today I'll be breaking down the second week of May, as you can see, starting from 5th of May 2025. And before showing the weekly breakdown, let me quickly show you the news. So Monday was ISM services PMI, Tuesday was no news, Wednesday was federal funds rate and USD FOMC statement, Thursday was FOMC press conference, GBP monetary policy report, BOE Gorman Bailey speaks, unemployment claims, President Trump speaks, and Friday was BOE Gorman Bailey speaks again. So on the weekly time frame, my bias was clearly bearish according to how this candle closed right here. The previous weekly candles are closing bearish and there is a fair value gap to the downside to fill. So obviously going on the week, my vision on the market was at the end of the week, maybe Monday, Tuesday can go up, make the high of the week, and then go to the downside to make a low to fill up this fair value gap. A bearish weekly profiling is anticipated, right? So the daily expansion, anything, the midweek reversal, anything can happen in the market. You don't need to know what will happen next in the market to make money in the markets, right? So on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see the previous two candles were bullish and there was also a weekly fair value gap to fill. So on DXY, my bias was clearly bullish, and on GU, my bias was clearly bearish, as you can see right here. So that was the weekly analysis for you guys. And yeah, man. So now going on the daily time frame on GBP USD, going on Monday, the bias on the weekly and daily are aligning, and whenever the bias on the weekly and the daily are aligning, I tend to trade. And yeah, I traded on Monday. I remember this trade, I have also journaled it. These trades, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday trades, I will not show you the lower time frames. Why? Because it takes a lot of time, and if you want to watch what happened on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, you can watch my videos. I have made separate videos. Monday I was literally looking for sales because of the bias were aligning, and yeah, man, Monday was literally a selling day for us, as you can see. Yes, Monday I was looking for sales, literally got a sell. I have also taken a trade on this day. You can go, this is a weekly breakdown, so I will not show you I will only explain the daily candles. The lower time frames, you can get it on the other videos. Monday, look for a sell, got a beautiful sell, and it was a break-even trade on Monday. Tuesday was a loss. Tuesday was, again, I was looking for sales according to how this Monday candle closed, and Tuesday was a loss. Now going on Wednesday, I'm looking for buys. So even Wednesday I took this trade, and Wednesday was a loss. Wednesday was a win. Meaning when Wednesday was a very tricky day. Let me quickly show you because it's a bit important. So going on Wednesday, I was looking for sales, right? So sorry, I was looking for buys because the bias was bullish on Wednesday, and I was looking for a buyer from this sort of demand zone that I've marked. But the Asian range was accumulating and it manipulated to the upside, and then we got a beautiful entry signal on the M5 time frame, and I targeted this H1 demand zone. This demand zone I use as the draw liquidity because I knew that the price, if it wants to go down, it will target this draw of liquidity, and then from here it might go up with the trend being bullish, which happened exactly as I predicted, exactly as I anticipated. And Tuesday was a loss, as you can see right here, and Monday was a break-even trade right here. And New York session on Monday, the New York session was a banger. It would have been literally a beautiful trade on New York session. Many people took this trade on Monday, and yeah, at that time I didn't had this knowledge, but now I have. So these are the callouts. You can quickly pause and watch the callouts. As you can see, the callouts are very big. So yeah, these are the callouts on the time frames. And now going on Thursday, right? So according to how this Monday, Tuesday went up, made the high of the week. Now Wednesday is going down. So obviously going on Thursday, my bias is bearish. The daily fair value gap got filled, daily supply zone got mitigated, and on DXY also now Wednesday candle close is bullish. So going on Thursday, I will be looking for sales. So Thursday was a sell, but Thursday I didn't took the trade. Why? On Thursday the bias was bearish and the London didn't give the move as we anticipated, and Thursday was a no trade day for me, and also Friday was a no trade day for me. Monday, Tuesday made the high of the week. Wednesday, Thursday went down, made the low of the week, and then Friday was a pullback. This is a perfect weekly bearish profiling, as you can see. Monday, Tuesday went up, Wednesday, Thursday went down, and Friday went up, right? So let me quickly show you the lower time frames for Thursdays and Friday. So on Thursday, I didn't took the trade because I didn't got what I wanted to see. As you can see, London session was a continuation model and I didn't like this, and New York session was very tricky. And on Friday my bias was again bearish, but On Friday, literally the trend was bullish and I didn't took the trade because obviously I was looking for sells, and if I would look for something on Friday, it would be a counter bias trade, and which didn't happen. The counter bias trade, I'm very strict at my entry model. Only if I get the M5 perfect entry model on the counter bias trade, even if it's bullish or bearish. Counter bias means if my bias is bullish, I'm taking sells from Asian high sweep, and if my bias is bearish and I'm taking a buy from Asian low sweep, that is called a counter bias trade. I have also made videos about those trades, so you can have a watch for that. And this was the weekly breakdown for you guys. This was a very quick video, I know that, and yeah, these videos are just for reference purpose. I don't want it to be long. Just when I see it, if I can have a good idea, it is enough, right? So now it is also looking like a left head and a right shoulder according to the stand and forget strategy. Let's see what happens now. And yeah, on to the next week. I will bring that video today itself, so stay tuned for that, and hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you want to learn anything more about my strategy, you can comment down below, and I will come up with a video for you.